A huge thank you to everyone who is helping out during this coronavirus lockdown quarantine. They're risking their own lives to help and save others. A huge thank you to you. And then there's people like me. We're doing our part by making sure that you guys are not losing your minds at home. So let's get started. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Yes, I'm back with a new video. Today's video is going to be something that everyone's been doing lately. So this is a quarantine makeup video. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's really early in the morning, like no one's awake. This thing on my face, yes, it's a mask. This is the Autumn Season Moist Bright Soothing Mask. For the skin with moisturizing effect, provides sufficient moisture to dry skin. The quality of a material of cool and refreshing can relieve skin after sun. So I have put on the mask. I'm going to remove it. With the perfect combination of silk mask, can deeply penetrate into skin, enhance the vitality of skin fiber to restore skin elasticity. Layers of nourishing for the skin, day to day more smooth, more compact, makes the skin keep young state. And then my makeup bag. So first of all, I'm going to use a moisturizer. This moisturizer has beads inside, so you have to rub it in to dissolve the beads. It smells so luxurious. So rub it in. The first thing I ever do is eyeliner. It's good for like just outlining, but then I fill it in with something else. Ye muh band rakhna. Yeah, it's so not even. And then this is like realistic. Everyone's like, well, no, it doesn't happen that way. Well, not for me at least. Like no matter how many times I've practiced, this has not happened. So then I take my cellar water and then a cotton bud, and then we just clean. That's as perfect as I'll get it. And then I just clean up here. And that's it. Look, the light is changing. It got cloudy again. This is going to be very tough to film. Okay, for concealer, I'm going to be using MAC's Eye Concealer Set in Coffee and Wheat. Just mix it with your hand. It's very creamy. Look, it like literally melts into your skin. Okay. I miss MIKYAJY. This is their translucent pressed powder and then MIKYAJY brush. Look, I've used this so much. I love this thing. And then I just do this. I know. You're like, look at the eyeliner. The eyeliner is just there to like give me the shape again that I want to fill in. But I don't know, if you can do your eyeliner after you've done all your eyeshadow and lashes and stuff, then yeah. I can't do that yet. I think that's set. Now we're going full glam. I'm going to be using the eyeshadow from Dior. It's amazing. I've finished this over the eyes before, and I had two brushes. I have this brush for Dior. First of all over the eye. It just makes everything look so uniform. It got so cloudy. I feel like I'm in Malaysia or Thailand or something. It's nice. Okay, I have these brushes. I'm going to use Lush's Key Lime Pie Lip Balm. You don't have to see my crusty lips. Tastes like key lime pie. So I'm going to use this shade. There's so many eye looks you can do with this. Like this is amazing. And so pigmented, right? Now I'm going to take this dark color here. Is there like, are there names for this or what? This is the Sundeck eyeshadow palette. Okay, I won't. Whoa. And then just blend. Blend like your life depends on it. This I'm going to use for highlight and this I'm going to use for shimmer. Oh wait, let me do my mascara first and then we can do like the shimmer part. So for mascara, I'm using the Chanel mascara. I always forget to lash my curls. Stuck for curl my lashes. Some people just work so neatly, but then there's me. Okay, so I cleaned it up. I'm gonna use the MAC Prep and Prime. I wonder if this will like actually work or not. It definitely helped like bring the shimmer shade out. I'm just gonna take the same brush, just like a little bit, not too much, and then just blend it in. Just from the edges. I don't want to like add anything else to this. It's Dior. So I'm just gonna keep it this, and the highlighter shade, this pinky shade here, I'm just gonna add it later on. Then I'm gonna use the Dr. Rochelle makeup wipes. Just use an affordable eyeliner and then you can just darken it with any other eyeliner you have. I am using the Yves Saint Laurent Baby Doll Liquid Eyeliner in black. Okay, let that dry because I don't want anything to smudge it. Oh, we're going like totally full glam on this, right? Lashes, okay. These ones. And this lash glue I'm going to use from Ardell. This was for 20 reals. Now this glue dries very hard. Oof. That's why I don't have any eyelashes. Not good. It's just too much. It's too strong. And I don't buy makeup stuff until the first one has already finished. So I'm stuck with this. So these are the lashes I'm going to put on. Some lash glue you can put it on both lashes and then stick them on. They're still okay. But this lash glue, no. Better to do it one at a time. And then this I got from Miniso. I hate putting lashes on. It's like the most annoying thing ever. Most annoying thing. Because you think it's on and then nah, it's not on. Don't you hate it like when the lash glue sticks to this thing right here, and then like it literally, the lash comes out? Oh, I cannot tell if it's actually stuck on nicely. So I'm just gonna show you. There it is. There are my eyes. Got it? The Bourjois waterproof black liner. I cannot find the sharpener. I just don't know where it is. A little bit of spray. There. Alhamdulillah, eyes are done. And now, for the eyebrows, I'm going to use the Rimmel eyebrow pencil. This is in black brown. I love it when people say eyebrows. That's so adorable. Even this is not, because I lost the sharpener. That's why it's not sharpened. I just put the pencil here. This part I leave, I don't know, just, I like the natural look. Everyone has their own style, so let them be. So for primer, I'm going to use the Autograph Primer, again from Marks & Spencer. It's white, it's really nice. Instant Radiance Primer. The ideal solution for tired and dull skin, helps to brighten your complexion, enhancing your skin's natural glow. Problem areas, mooches, darty, nose, forehead. The rest, I just take it in. Apply before your foundation, hypoallergenic and oil-free. So now I'm going to use the Bourjois foundation. Foundation, smells so amazing. Also the concealer. Should I do like contour and all that stuff? We have to, right? It's like full glam. I'm going to use the Kiss Beauty contour. Really nice, really creamy. And concealer, I'm going to use the Bourjois Healthy Mix Concealer. I love the smell. It's nice. Of course, it's according to your face shape. I don't know, did it give me shape or did it just make it weird? That's why I don't contour. I don't usually contour. I'm going to use a matte powder. This is from Maybelline. This stuff is amazing. Take a square sponge. Wherever you sweat, okay? Wherever you sweat, you put that there. If it's the whole face. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Tom Ford bronzer. Amazing stuff. Still have it. So old. Even this is finished. We want to look sun-kissed, not sun-punched. This is my favorite bronzer. Now for the blush. Pure mineral blush. And I love blush like on the nose. It looks so cute. Or not. Taking the Real Techniques brush. Okay, so since this is Glam, I'm going to use a loose body powder. This is a shimmery body powder. Press. We're doing Glam makeup, so we need to be seen from space. I put too much bronzer. Now for highlighter, I'm going to use the Chanel highlighter. Okay, now we're supposed to highlight our eyes. Remember I said that's the step I'll do last. And then the inner corners. Now for the lips. You can get these disposable lip brushes anywhere. This is the Avon Golden Nude. Then I have the Revlon Champagne on Ice. I used both the shades and then I'm going to finish it off with Bourjois 3D Max Lip Gloss. Very pink, you can see. Just going to take a little bit of that. Okay, so we're done and I'm going to change my scarf. And I'm going to come back. So everyone, I've changed my scarf and then the last thing to do is I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime Fixing Spray. So we sprayed. Now for our panka. So everyone, this is my final look. And this is what I look like up close. And the final thing is we're going to add shimmer body mist. Twilight Woods. A hypnotic blend of enticing fruits and warm cypress inspired by romantic walk in enchanted woods. That was everything to do with the full glam makeup. So everyone, if you really enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, press the bell icon so you're notified of any future videos that I might post, leave a constructive comment and share this video. I'll really appreciate it. As always, thank you so much for your support and encouragement. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.